day everyone. Our topic is sample space. Sample space denoted by S is the set of all possible outcomes or results of a random experiment or event. Example, the event is when you're rolling a six-sided die. The sample space is equal curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Under possible outcome is 1 over 6 or 16.67%. 1 over 6 is because ang 6 nakuha nimo siya sa unong ka sample space. Ang 1 is because kaisa ra ka mo roll sa dice. Muna siyang 1 over 6 or 16.67%. Another example. Then if you want a rolling a primer number and the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The outcomes is 1, 3, 5 or 3 over 6. 3 over 6 is because tulo ni siya. Tulo ang imuhang gipili or sa unom ning pili kag tulo ka primer number nimo. Unang 3 over 6. Pag imo siyang ikuan para mahimo siyang percent is ang 10% ma-equal siya sa 1 over 2 then or equal siya sa 50% na 50%. Another example, when you're rolling 2 dice and the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, there are 36 possible outcomes. 36 possible outcomes. Sa imong sample space nga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sa rest 1 nimo nakay number nga 1, 2, 3, 2, 6 para lang sa 6. Is because muna siya ang number sa dice. Then sa dice to nimo na po siya possibility nga kani ang mo result sa imong dice to is kani 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, and 3. Muna siya pwede possible. Pwede po 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or sa basta padulong sa 6, 1 to 6 nga result. Probability each outcome has a probability of 1 over 36. 36 is because 36 din sila tanan na 6 tanan na sila kabuok. 6 na sa 6 diha 60 na 6 times 6 is equal 36. Muna siya ang mong over. Then 1 is because kaisa ra pug kamo roll. Or na siya 2.78%. There are another example. When you flipping coins and the sample space is head, tail, head, and tail. Since each flip of tokens is independent of another's, and numbers of possible outcomes when you repeat this 4 times is 256, and their possible outcome is 256, or 1 over 6 or 25%. Sample space relate to information technology. Sample space are used in cybersecurity and networking and communication or etc. Risk assessment. Sample space help you to evaluate potential vulnerabilities and probability of cyber attacks. Network topology. Sample space represent possible network configuration and tuition. Error detection. Sample space help identify potential error in data transmission. Signal processing. Analyzing sample space improves signal quality and noise reduction. And that's all. Thank you.